bed sick with a stomach flu for 5 days, and look at the bomb that has gone off in this place. I've had no energy to clean up. Gavin's been working on other little projects, and today I'm just going to slowly work my way around it. And I'm so sick of this bedroom, and I'm really sick of this head. Looking a little bit better today. Okay, into the day. What are you up to here, Captain Gav?
Well, we pulled the autopilot apart, and we found this shaft in here has these 6 pistons in it. And what happened was that the grinding noise that we had in the autopilot was because 2 of the pistons had snapped their springs. You see that spring's completely stuffed. So I pulled it apart, and with the help of the manufacturers, they have been giving me advice, which has been great. We discovered this is what the problem was. So they've sent out 6 new pistons with springs. So those are the old ones. I'll have maybe some backups if that ever goes again. And they sent me out a new seal kit as well. So I've just replaced the oil seals. That's the old one. It's mangled. The oil seal in there, I couldn't get it in. So he had a press. The inox guy, had a press on his in his workshop, and I asked him very nicely. He was happy to accommodate. Took him 2 seconds to do it too, and I've been fluffing around here trying to get it in for ages. Painful, but it's in now, and I'm going to put it all back together again. Hopefully it'll go back together without too much hassle. So that's on. Yabba dabba doo. Now the engine, the motor. Well, we've had an interesting start to today. We got up early and answered a bunch of emails, mainly from our insurance company, trying to organise our insurance for the Atlantic crossing. And we saw an email that they sent us, which is one of their standard ones, asking for a survey of our boat and rigging. So we've been talking with riggers as well to see what prices that they have done. So we've asked a quote from 3 of them, and they're mostly about the same price. It's not too much difference between any of them. But now we are waiting for the driver from a carpooling website, and we're going to be going to Gibraltar because we're flying out of Gibraltar to go to London and visit Shona's brother and sister, which should be fun. We pulled the mainsail down and we flaked it onto the deck itself because it was there's just nowhere around here that we could do that. There's no grassed area, and there's a road directly behind us, so we can't do it over there. So we tried to do it on the deck, and it took a little bit longer than normal, but that's all right. It is what it is, and we've taken that into the sailmaker. The sailmaker is going to put a 3rd reef in for us, and we will pick that up when we come back and put it up. We also spoke with the inox guy who had taken some drawings of a little design that we made for our spinnaker pole, because the spinnaker pole is a new addition to our rigging, and there was no bracket at the bottom for it to be held onto. So he's making up just a small bracket that we'll screw into the deck and use that to secure the pole at the bottom. The top's no problem because it just goes straight up the track, which is fine, and hangs on to that nicely. But the bottom was going to be a bit of an issue. So yeah, so that's going to be very good. So we'll have our mainsail done. We'll have, the sailmaker's also got our Jenica. The Jenica is, we had a problem with it when we last tried to unfurl it. It came undone halfway, and the top half wouldn't unfurl, and I don't know what happened. It was almost like both ends had unfurled or furled in opposite directions, so it's like a massive twist. The top half is really tight, and the bottom half I just did up very loosely because I was a bit concerned that I'd tighten it even more. So we've taken the whole top-down furler system to him with the Jenica on it, and he's going to undo it in his loft and try and get it ready for us for the 20th as well when we come back. Yeah, so everything will happen, and then we'll get our other bits and pieces, put it all together, and then we're off. We're now just waiting for the carpool guy. We're on a boat, on a yacht, and we came into Schengen and Syracuse, and we're basically on our way. We're going to visit relatives in England, and then we're coming back to pick up our boat, which is in Almirama.
Your boat is in Gibraltar.
Almeria.
Almirama.
The last stamp is 6 June.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
In Spain, you can be in Spain just 90 days.
That's right. Yes.
Okay. So
we haven't been in Spain 90 days though.
Yeah, but with the passport.
Yeah.
You are in Spain more 90 days. Okay.
No.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
But with the passport, you know.
Yeah. No, we can have New Zealand.
Okay. I trust on you.
Yeah. Yeah.
I try to explain that with the passport. Okay. With the passport. This is the last. Just one.